Hello everyone, thank you for joining. Today we will be doing factorization using the AC method. Now, before we begin, let me write down the quadratic equation. ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, if you remember previously, a was usually 1, and we looked at our constant and we found two values when multiplied gave us c and when added gave us b. Now what if a is not equal to 1? Now that compounds our trial and error problem, because we have to have two values that should also correspond to the other two values in order to factorize. Now the AC method simplifies this tedious trial and error method. So let's do question A, and this will cement the method. So let us take our ax squared term and our constant c, which is 12, and we end up with 24x squared, right? Now we need two terms that multiply to give us 24. Those terms are 24 and 1, 8 and 3, 6 and 4, 12 and 2. I think that's about it. So now these two terms also need to give us plus 11, and I see 8 and 3 is what we need. So 24x squared is equal to 8x multiplied by 3x. Now when we add them up, we also get the middle term of 11x. So we are perfect here. So we have 8x plus 3x. Now in the place of 11x, we can put in 8x plus 3. Now, in our previous video, we did factorization using common pairs, and we have to do the same thing here as well. So we see that 2x is common. We're left with x plus 4 plus 3 open brackets x plus 4. So in the first pair, 2x was common. In your second pair, 3 was common. And now I can factor out the x plus 4. And that's your answer. Now just to validify what we've done, let us multiply everything out. This is to solidify your confidence in this method. That is why I'm doing this. And there you have it. We have done everything correctly. Now let's move on to something more fancy, where the signs are may give us a hassle, but we will triumph over that. Let us take the first term multiplied by your second term. Sorry, your first term multiplied by the constant, which is minus 20. So we have minus 60x squared. We need two terms that will give us minus 60x squared. We can have 60 and 1, 30 and 2, 15 and 4, 5 and 12. In this case, it's going to be 15 and 4. Let me show you why. Minus 15x plus 4x. So you see that minus 15 plus 4 is minus 11x. Now let's multiply them and see. Do we get minus 60x squared? We have to, because it's the factor. And that's perfect. Now let us substitute in minus 15x plus 4x into that position. So 3x squared minus 15x plus 4x minus 20. Let's factor out 3x, open brackets, x minus 5 plus 4, open brackets, x minus 5. So in the first pair, 3x was common, second pair, 4 was common. Now, let's factor out the common term, x minus 5, open brackets, 3x plus 4. And that is your answer. Now what if I swapped the minus 15x with the 4x? Would we get the same answer? Let us find out. In the first pair, we see x is common. We left with 3x plus 4. In the second term, we see minus 5 will be common. And we left with 3x plus 4. And that's it. Now we factor out our common term. 3x plus 4, open brackets, x minus 5. And that is it. So we've got the same solution whether we have it minus 15x plus 4x or plus 4x minus 15x. So that's it. I would advise you work with the following questions: J, C, and maybe E and F and G. Just do all of them. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. We'll do more advanced quadratics.